Hello guys, today I am gonna teach you how to make this 3-line edit video in After Effects. First you add the clips according to your audio. Now pre-compose this layer. Select all upper layers and press S on your keyboard to open scale properties. Now set the value 30. Place the clips as you wish. Now pre-compose all layers. Go to the Effect and Presets panel and search Twixtor. And now do as I do and follow my settings. Now copy the Twixtor settings and paste into the other layers and adjust your keyframe according to your clip size. Now select this layer and press S on your keyboard and copy my setting. Now copy this and paste it in all the layers. And don't forget to turn on motion blur. And lastly, you can play with some of the settings, and here is your edit is completed. One more thing, thank you so much for 150k subscriber guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to put like these videos and obviously subscribe to my channel. See you again soon guys. Thank you so much.